Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Ease channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah.
Hello Alvin, and hello to all our fantastic listeners around the world. It is a beautiful day to learn English.
It is. But Sarah, I have a problem.
Oh no, what happened this time?
I think I was rude.
Rude? You? Really?
Yes. Well, maybe. I went to a restaurant yesterday.
Okay.
The waiter came to my table and I was hungry, very hungry.
Dangerous situation.
And I said, "Hey, give me one pizza."
Oh wow.
And then complete silence. The waiter looked at me like I was a crazy person.
I can imagine.
I didn't want to be rude, but I think I sounded very rude.
Yes. Give me pizza. Sounds a little like a boss.
I don't want to sound like a boss. I just want to sound polite and eat pizza.
Good news, Alvin. Good news, listeners. Today's episode is for you.
For hungry people like me,
Exactly. For hungry people who want to speak good English.
I like this already.
Today's topic is stop saying, "Give me pizza." Polite English for ordering food.
Oh, that is perfect. That is exactly what I need.
We will learn how to order food in a polite, natural way.
So no more give me pizza?
No more "give me pizza."
Okay, deal.
We will also learn useful restaurant words, simple phrases, and common questions.
And maybe a little role play,
Of course, you will make some funny mistakes. I will help you fix them.
like always.
Like always, before we start, we have a small polite request for you.
Yes, a very polite one. We will not say, "Give me a like."
No. We will say, "Could you please click the like button?"
And could you please subscribe to Mr. English channel?
It really helps us. And it helps you too, because you don't miss new episodes.
And you can also share this with a friend who loves food.
Or a friend who says, "Give me pizza."
Yes, help them, save them.
Thank you so much. Now let's start our lesson. Okay, Alvin, let's fix your restaurant English.
Please, I don't want to scare any more waiters.
First, the big problem, the phrase "give me."
Yes, I use give me all the time. Give me water, give me menu, give me fries.
Listeners, "give me" is not always wrong, but in a restaurant it can sound rude.
Why?
Because it sounds like an order, like a command, like a boss.
Oh, and the waiter is not my servant.
Exactly. So we need more polite phrases.
Okay. What can I say instead of give me?
3 very useful phrases. I would like, could I have, can I get.
Oh, I hear these in movies.
Yes, they are very common and polite.
Let's practice.
Instead of "give me a pizza," you say,
I would like a pizza.
"Good." And again with "could I have?"
Could I have a pizza, please?
Perfect. And "can I get?"
Can I get a pizza, please?
Very good. All 3 are okay. All 3 are polite.
Which is the most polite?
I would like and "could I have" are a little more polite than "can I get?" But all are fine in a restaurant.
Okay. So, from now on, no more give me.
Yes. Listeners, repeat after us. I would like,
I would like,
could I have,
could I have,
can I get.
can I get,
Great job. Now let's go step by step from entering the restaurant to paying the bill.
A full food journey. I like it.
First, you enter the restaurant. The host or waiter might ask, "Table for 2," or "How many people?"
Oh, yes, I hear that.
You can say, "Table for 2, please," or "We are 4 people."
Easy enough.
Then they say, "This way, please," and take you to a table.
Then I sit. I look at the menu. I panic.
Don't panic. Let's talk about the menu.
Okay.
Some important words on a menu: starter or appetizer, and this is the first small dish.
Like soup or salad,
Exactly. Then main course, this is the big dish.
pizza, pasta, steak.
Yes, and dessert, the sweet dish.
My favorite part.
Mine too. So starter, main course, dessert.
Got it.
Now, the waiter comes to your table and says, "Are you ready to order?"
And I say, yes, give me pizza.
S. No.
I know. I'm learning.
Let's do a little role play.
Okay, I am Alvin, the hungry man. You are the waiter.
I will be a very polite waiter. Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, give me one pizza and one cola.
Alvin?
Too strong?
A little. Let's try again. Use, I would like.
Okay.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like a pizza and a cola, please.
Much better. And now with, could I have.
Yes, I'm ready. I would like. No, wait.
Try this. Could I have.
Okay. Could I have a pizza and a cola, please?
Perfect. That sounds very polite and natural.
Very nice. I feel like a gentleman.
And don't forget, please and thank you. They are very important in English.
So I say please when I ask, and thank you when they bring my food.
Exactly.
Sarah, what if I don't understand the menu?
Great question. That happens a lot even for native speakers.
Really?
Yes. Some menus are confusing. You can ask the waiter, "What do you recommend?"
Oh, that's nice.
Or "What is your most popular dish?"
So it's like asking, what is good here?
Yes, but more polite.
Can I say, what do you suggest?
Perfect. "What do you suggest?" is great.
Okay. And what if I don't know a word?
You can point and ask, "What is this?" or "What is in this dish?"
For example, what is in the chicken curry?
Good. Or "Does this have nuts?" if you have an allergy.
Oh, that is important.
Or "Is it spicy?" if you don't like spicy food.
I like spicy, but not too spicy.
Then you can say, "I like it a little spicy."
Okay, now I ordered my food. I am very happy. I eat everything. The pizza is gone.
Yes, like magic.
Now what? How do I ask for the bill?
Good question. Many learners say, "Give me the bill."
Ah, same problem again.
Yes, more polite is, "Could we have the bill, please?"
Could we have the bill, please?
Or, "Can I have the check, please?" In American English, check is very common.
Bill, check. Both are okay?
Yes. In the UK, people usually say bill. In the US, check.
Okay. Could we have the bill, please? I like that.
Sometimes the waiter will ask, "Is it together or separate?"
Oh, yes, for payment.
Together means one person pays for everyone. Separate means each person pays for their own food.
So I can say, together, please. Or, separate, please.
Exactly.
Sarah, can we talk about tipping?
Yes, but remember this is different in different countries.
True.
In the USA, people usually give a tip of 15 to 20%.
That is a lot.
Yes. In some countries, the tip is smaller or not necessary, but in many places, if the service is good, people leave a tip.
What can I say when I leave the restaurant?
You can say, "Thank you, the food was great," or "Thank you, everything was delicious."
That sounds very nice.
It is polite and friendly.
Sarah, can we do a full role play now, from start to finish?
Yes, great idea. Listeners, you can repeat after us.
I will try to be polite this time.
Ready?
Ready?
Good evening. How many people?
Good evening. Table for two, please.
Of course. This way, please. Here is your table and here are your menus.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so. Could I have a margarita pizza and a cola, please?
Certainly. Would you like a starter?
What do you recommend?
The tomato soup is very popular.
Okay, I would like the tomato soup as a starter.
Great. And for you, sir?
He would like the same, please.
Perfect. I will be right back. Here is your soup.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy. And here is your pizza and your cola.
Thank you.
How is everything?
Everything is delicious, thank you.
I'm glad to hear that.
Excuse me?
Yes?
Could we have the bill, please?
Of course. Is it together or separate?
Together, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
You too. Goodbye. Wow, that felt very smooth.
Yes, you sounded very polite and natural.
And I didn't say give me even one time.
I am so proud of you.
Thank you, teacher.
Let's do a quick review for our listeners.
Yes, review time.
Sarah, instead of give me, say, I would like, could I have, can I get, and always add, please.
And to ask for the bill, could we have the bill, please? Or can I have the check, please?
Good. Important menu words. Sarah, starter or appetizer. Main course, dessert.
And some useful questions. What do you recommend? What do you suggest? What is in this dish? Is it spicy?
Very good. If you use just these phrases, your restaurant English will be so much better.
And you will not scare any waiters.
Exactly. Now, we have a question for you.
Alvin. Yes, we want to hear from you.
In the comments, please write one sentence. I would like, plus your favorite food.
For example, I would like chicken curry, please.
Or, I would like a burger and fries, please.
Or, I would like a big pizza with extra cheese, please.
Of course you say pizza.
Always.
This is great practice for you, and we read your comments.
We really do. All of them.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Mr. English channel.
Click the like button, share this episode with a friend,
Maybe a friend who is shy in restaurants.
or a friend who always says, give me water,
Help them become more polite in English.
and more polite in life.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you feel more confident about ordering food in English.
Remember, small changes make a big difference.
Yes, just change. Give me to I would like, and you sound much better.
Keep practicing. You are doing great.
Don't study too hard. Eat something nice today.
Maybe order it in English.
Good idea.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now. See you next time.